What's up, you guys? Fun fact, I filmed this entire video and my mic wasn't plugged in, so we're switching to voiceover mode, but that's okay. I still wanted to proceed with the video. I didn't want to scrap it because it's such a good video. This is my 5-minute makeup routine. This is like my go-to look when I want to look like I tried, but I really didn't try at all. Like, it took literally 5 minutes, but it's like a little soft, very minimal soft glam look. So here it is. So this is my little makeup bag that I keep my staples in, just so that I can have a go-to bag when I want to do 1 to 5 minute makeup looks and just have something quick. I love the little brush compartment on the top to keep things separated. And the first thing I'm going in with is my Ilia skin tint. I am obsessed with this stuff, you guys. It is literally like your skin, but better. It looks so natural. You can literally apply this with your hands and be good to go if you just want like a little skin tint. Look how natural that looks. I love it so much. And then the next thing I'm going in with is my Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer. This bronzer is just incredible. It just gives you such a nice natural contour, but you can also build it up for days when you want to do glam. Like, I've done glam looks with this too. And I love this airbrush from Sigma. It's just the perfect for like a natural finish because of the duo fiber. This concealer, you guys, is everything. It feels like skincare. This concealer feels like I'm applying an eye cream. I literally use my fingers for this. For this look, I try to do minimal brushes just to keep things very easy and fast. It blends out so easily. It literally feels like I'm applying an eye cream, no joke. So I love this concealer from Ilia, my favorite. Okay, so to literally elevate this look in less than 5 seconds, I just take my finger, dip it into the Makeup by Mario bronzer, and put a little bit of that under the eyes. I love this blush so much. This is Tenderly from Ilia. I literally blend it out with my fingers. That's how creamy it is and easy to work with. For brows, I'm literally just quickly filling in some sparse areas. I've been doing this lately because ever since pregnancy, I feel like my eyebrows are a little bit more sparse than they used to be, but I'll just do this like really quickly and loosely, nothing too crazy, you know? I love this John Organics hair paste and I use it for my eyebrows. It is everything. This has replaced the Got To Be freeze spray for me because I love how clean this one is. The ingredients are just really minimal and just good, and I love the hold on it. It just gives you such a nice natural fluffy, like almost laminated, microbladed, feathered brow look. Okay, this mascara has been my go-to. Maybelline just released a couple of clean beauty products. One of them was this mascara and I was so excited to try it, and honestly, it has been my obsession. One coat literally gives you the most volumized lashes. You definitely do not need more than 2 coats with this mascara. Here is just 1 coat. It just lengthens and volumizes your lashes very well. When it comes to lip combos, it kind of always changes just depending on my new current faves, but I always stick to a lip liner and a gloss combo because I feel like that's the perfect combo to go for when you want something still glam, but still just on like the natural wearable side. So here I'm using the NYX Loud Lip Liner in the shade Global Citizen, and it's such a perfect shade, you guys. I'm overlining my lips. I purposely left a lot of this in and didn't edit it out because I feel like I always edit out me doing my lip liner, and then you guys don't really get to see how I overline. So I love this shade. It's the perfect like balance of a natural shade but still dark enough to define your lips. Blend it out with my finger, and then here I could not decide which gloss to use, but I ended up using the Merit lip oil for the first time, which is a really nice natural looking lip oil. It's not your like ultra glossy lip oil, but it just gives you a really soft shine or like a soft natural gloss. So it's really nice. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing my little 5-minute makeup routine. Again, apologies that my mic wasn't working. I'm gonna be super diligent going forward, but I still wanted to share this with you guys because I love doing this look when I want something very minimal, quick and easy, but still wanna look a little bit glam. Bye guys. Mwah.